Hello fellow traders. Memorial Day is coming to an end. We have a shortened trading week this week, but doesn't mean things won't get interesting. I'm going to grab the camera here real quick and go over what's going on. That little channel our fellow trader has been pointing out and trading. It's definitely 2 days broken right now. We even had a little upper wick on Friday that tried to test the lower trend line of the channel and failed, even on low volume. I definitely feel some downward pressure coming. The past 2 weeks, we really outweighed the up days with down days. Things are really setting up for a fall. I'm really starting to get antsy here, but I'm going to be patient. As far as my trades, I still have my FAS, my SRS, holding strong with those. I got my options, my IPI, 1750 June puts are kind of eating me alive, but that's okay. You know, that's how options are. If you trade options, that's why you place a few across the board. My Disney $20 June puts are in the money. I'm hoping that'll break down under 20, turn into 100-200% gain. My FCX $40 June puts, if we get down here, those will be really in the money, but they really got to start moving. And I started adding to another position, my Joann's. It's kind of like a Bed Bath & Beyond to me, or a Big. It's like a Joann's craft store. I shorted some. $20.65 on Friday. So that's where I'm at on my trades. I really feel things are gonna start really pressuring to the downside. This is the S&P 3-year chart. I'm just gonna go over a couple things. Those of you that have been following me, you know why I like this line and why I'm not going up off these tips here. And that's because I follow where it was just battling the 50-day here, and then we dinked it one more time right there before the plunge, okay? And there it is. You know, I pointed this out a week ago when we were right here. We actually have our first higher low, or lower high on this run. Now we're looking for a lower low right here, which I'll go over that in a second. This is the big 3-year trend line. Why I'm going over this? Because it's going to come into play here in a minute. But on this, it's looking like our plunge, once we get through the 50 days, now going to act as a support. We're going to go right to 775. And as we break through that, we'll go over these here. But these are big dog channels here. Like our fellow trader was pointing out our little channel here. These are the big dog channels. Okay? And that's what I meant about, geez, I mean, how could you be buying long up here? Not only are you at the top of these 3 major channels, but my gosh, I mean, we should at least be in this channel. And we're in the upper channel. See that? So now I'm going to pull up the 6-month S&P real quick here and draw some lines. Okay. I'm going to start with our channel right here, you know, which is a good channel. I mean, I like it, you know, like I was hugging these ones, you know, it's like, it's a good channel trade, but I was really hugging these. Remember when we squished out right here and broke down? So this is, you know, remember how I was coming right up here and it squished out right here? Because we kind of broke it here. Remember I said this is the one that broke the true uptrend. This is another one that came into play, and now it's broken. Let me draw it for you so you don't get confused. I'm going to wrap this up here pretty quick. But remember that one right there? See how it broke it there? And then we broke it there. So I feel we've been, you know, bearish from here. But now we're double bearish if you're going by this channel. If you've been trading this one. Okay? So this is what I got here. There it is. There's the top right there. These are the big dog channels here. These are what we got to look for as stuff starts breaking down. I'm just going to lay them out real quick. Okay. See these right here though? These are perfect. Okay. Now on that big chart that I just showed you, see how that one came right down to the 775 area? But when you look on a little shorter term, we're looking for like 865, okay? See, if we're going by this, we're looking for 865, and we need 865 to break. And why I like to pull these up, because I get these in my head. 865, 800, 808, and then right here the 770 is the 775, okay? Because if we do a straight down, have a plunge to 775, 770, you know we've broken through the 50-day and 2 supports here. You cover all your shorts, sell all your ETFs, maybe hold on to one just for some insurance, but that's where I make my trades right there, because you're definitely going to get a bounce the next day or two to come up to either 800 or even the 50-day again. See? And as we start to break through these more, that's where we'll be eyeballing these other supports on the way down. So what are we looking for right now short term? 775, you know, but we got to get through the 865 and obviously the 800 to 810 area. See how it's nice when we get some weeks that go by and things play out, you know, like it happens fast. You know, the pressure's definitely on. And like I said, I don't know how you could be buying long right now, and just unless you're just so heavily short, you're hedging yourself. Oh yeah, let me grab this and go over one more thing here. This is just good to look at, but look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 weeks of trading and 2 up days.